Mortgage rates are constantly moving, so whether you're buying or refinancing, trying to figure out what rate you can get can feel like a moving target. That's why understanding what a rate lock is and when to lock can make a huge difference. A rate lock is the lender's commitment to hold your rate and pricing steady for a defined period. It's essentially your protection against daily market fluctuations. So if rates move up after we lock, you're covered as long as we close on time and nothing material changes with the loan. One quick timing note on a purchase: you don't lock until you're in contract because the lock is tied to the property, the closing date, and the exact loan details. Before you're in contract, we'll run the numbers, set a budget, and watch the market. But the actual lock happens once you have an accepted offer. On a refinance, we have a little more flexibility because there's no contract date driving the timeline. Here's why this matters. If you're buying, you've got inspections, appraisal, underwriting, and a closing date, all moving at the same time. If you're not locked, your rate can change mid-escrow, and that can impact your payment, your cash to close, or your overall comfort level. Locking helps stabilize the financing side so you're not getting surprised mid-transaction. If you're refinancing, you're usually doing it for a specific result: a lower payment, better terms, paying off debt, or pulling cash out. If rates drift higher while you're floating, the savings you were counting on can shrink or disappear. A lock protects the numbers behind the refi so you can move forward with more certainty. Now, what if rates drop after you lock? In many cases, I may be able to renegotiate and get you a lower rate. It's not available on every loan, and it depends on timing and specific guidelines. But if it's an option, I'll walk you through it and help you take advantage of it. Here's where having the right lender can really matter. Many lenders don't put much thought into what the market is doing when they lock your loan. Others just react to a headline or go with a gut feeling. I treat locking your loan like a strategic decision. I'm watching what's actually moving rates in real time, and I line that up with your timeline and your goals. My goal is simple: to help you get the best loan available and make the process so smooth that you'll want to recommend me to others. If you want a clearer picture of your buying power or have questions about financing, reach out. I'll walk you through real numbers based on your situation so you know exactly where you stand. I'm here to help.